Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and we have a powerhouse day coming to Myrtle Beach on February 4th. And this is going to be 5 hours of South Carolina CE credit. Now we're going to start the morning with the Realtors AI Playbook. We're going to go through ChatGPT and many other AI elements, and then we're going to wrap the morning session with Lead Magnet Mastery. I'm going to show you how to create lead magnet tools with AI to help generate more leads for your business very naturally. We're then going to take an in-house lunch break. We're going to come back in the afternoon and we're going to do Become Google Great. This is a powerhouse session. The record for this class is $500,000 to the bottom line in 1 year from one business for free. You don't want to miss this day. Bring your laptop, bring your tablet. This, of course, is sponsored and hosted by the Coastal Carolinas Association of REALTORS. CE credit in South Carolina is available for in-person attendees. We also do have a Zoom option, no CE for Zoomers, but you can still join us for all the great content. So I'll see you guys very soon on February 4th. Thanks.